Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hills Workshop. Now the weather has definitely changed. It is cold, dreary today. It was raining last night and early this morning. Hopefully we got a break long enough so I can get some work done here. But if you watched episode 147, you know that I've went and got a load of logs with the trailer already. But those were rather small logs, so I hadn't finished up all the welding on the arch that I want to finish up, but I wasn't that worried about it. Really small, light logs. However, I was talking with a guy that owns a tree removal service, and he has 7 large oak trees, some of them 36 inches in diameter, that if I can come get them, they're mine. So before I do that, I don't want to be lifting a 36-inch log of any length until I've got all the welding done on this. So I'm going to try to get that knocked out today. If you're new to my channel is basically a homesteading / making channel. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but you know, every day I'm working around here on the farms, whether I'm in the workshop or outside around the workshop, we're working on projects, getting logs, fixing up vehicles, woodworking, metalworking, and everything in between. If any of that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications and check out the channel and see if it's something that you like. Also, I've had several messages asking me about the truck, how it's turned out. So I intend on showing it off in a video I'm going to do, showing my everyday carry in there, but I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek of how the truck has turned out after the detail. The XL doors did not have any pockets on it, and so I have got a XLT door that I've put on here. I currently have the power window switch out because that's another project I'm doing since this has manual windows. But you can see the floors came really clean, seats make a difference, and I will splice in a picture of what the truck looked like before to give you an idea. So not bad for a $2,700 truck, huh? All right, well that's enough of the truck. Let's get to welding on the dump trailer.
A strong baritone echoes through the church. You thought this would help you, but it just made things worse. Hot dog and a Pepsi, $4 in change, but you threw it so swiftly that you don't taste a thing. And what is warm can be again. You're just like a fire blown out by the wind. And what is warm can be again. You're a whole book of matches, only one has been spent. So baby, wipe the still sad look off your face before your dreams start boarding that train. I know your pride has a miserable taste, but you best get to swallowing. We talk about justice, we talk about pain, and then we buy greeting cards. We don't know what to say, and time is a soldier, just marches on. We've gotta look toward the future, because the past is all gone. And what is warm can be again. You're just like a fire blown out by the wind. And what is warm can be again. You're a whole book of matches, only one has been spent. So baby, wipe the still sad look off your face before your dreams start boarding that train. I know your pride has a miserable taste, but you best get to swallowing. You gotta wrestle with your
I had a comment on the video where I got the last load of logs, and the commenter was curious why I would run cables all the way up to my truck as opposed to just putting a battery in the box of the trailer and hooking up there so I didn't have such a long run of cable. I answered that comment, but I thought I would also answer it here just in case other people are watching and wondering. I do have a battery here in the box, and it's hooked up to the hydraulic pump for dumping the trailer. And if I'm only picking up one log, there's a good chance I will just hook to that. It's a short run, it's easier, just not an issue. You know, it's a good deep cell battery, but this winch pulls a lot of amps. And you know, like in the last video where I picked up several logs, I don't know how many times I actually let the winch in and out, but I would have drained that battery, no doubt. And anybody who's used a winch before has probably even had that issue when it's hooked to their car battery. But by hooking it to my car battery and leaving the engine running, I'm basically running it off of my alternator. And so as long as I don't work it too hard and give it a chance to cool down in between runs, this should be the best way to do it. And I'm using this 0 gauge wire to give me the least amount of drop from here to there, because this is about a 25-foot lead right here.
It's me again, from the house round the bend. You let me down when I thought we were friends. Hello, brother, how have you been? How's the wife, how's the kid? Man, I wish we were closer, but it is what it is. 'Cause it's a long and winding road, growing up and getting old. First kiss in the snow. It turns out you were colder than the wind on my nose. Hello, stranger, you hand me my change. Same sad look on your face. I wish that I could bring comfort, but it is not my place. 'Cause it's a long and winding road, growing up and we're getting old. It's me again. Hope you got the letters I sent. I'm just down here surviving. best that I can.
Well, that's about all we have time for today. I was hoping to get a coat of paint on everything, but that's going to have to wait. But at least we got everything welded up, and I'm probably going to stop, pick up a few more D-rings. I don't know that I've got enough to do the setup I'm going to want to do for these logs, but I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to seeing how it handles with big logs. You know, a 36-inch log is about as big a log that I plan to get, and so it'll be interesting. And hopefully there's as many as he says. He says that there should be about 21 saw logs worth. If that's the case, that's pretty good. It's a lot of logs. That should be enough to build a couple little buildings around here. Well, like I always say, if you like these kind of videos, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like them, hit the thumbs down button. Either way, leave me a comment telling me why. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd really love to have you. Click that subscribe button. And if you'd like to get notified every time I put out a new video, hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.